Namaste. Welcome everyone to my channel Yoga with Sakshi. Today is day 23 of Power Yoga series. Today we are going to play with Vinyasa series. So make sure you're breathing throughout your practice. Roll out your mats and let's get started. We're going to start gentle. As usual, back straight and with the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going with the entire ankle. 1, up, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now rotate other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sit in Vajrasana. Open your legs, arms out, tiger breathing. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Now feet together, knees together. Take your right leg back, left arm forward. Extend, exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Change. Other leg left. Right arm up. Exhale down. Inhale back. 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 Last one. Exhale down. Inhale back. Hold. And down. Take your legs back. Downward dog. Feet together. Take your right leg up. Bring your right leg forward in pigeon pose. Rajkapotasana. Back straight. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go forward and breathe. Go back. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet together. Left leg up. Forward. Pigeon pose. Rajkapotasana. Back straight. Go forward Come back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Adho Mukha. Walk front. Roll up. Feet together. We're going to go with Vinyasa A. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward, come to chair pose, Utkatasana. Down, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Stay there for 3 breaths. Jump forward. Exhale down. Roll up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward, chair pose. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Breathe. Jump forward. Down. Roll up. Once again, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Look forward. Jump. Chair pose. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Breathe. Look forward, jump forward. Exhale down. Roll up. Now we're going to go with Vinyasa B. Make sure you're breathing. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Now heels together, toes apart, feet come in V position. Bring your right leg forward. Down. Body facing forward, up. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again, left leg forward. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Hold. Breathe. Look forward. Jump forward. Exhale down. Roll up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position, right leg forward. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again, left leg forward. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Hold. Look forward, jump. Exhale down, roll up. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position. Right leg forward. Up. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position. Left leg forward. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha, and stay there. Look forward and jump. Exhale down. Roll up. Arms on your waist. Open your feet. Shoulder distance apart. Inhale. Exhale forward. Arms down. Inhale, look up. Exhale completely down and hold. Inhale, look up. Now get your arms underneath your feet. Exhale completely down. If you can't reach there, you can also bend your knees and try to reach with your tailbone up. Inhale, look up. Release your arms. Arms on the waist. Inhale, come. Exhale, feet together. Now face front. Feet together. Bend your knees. Open your legs. Now arms out. Take your right foot towards the right side. Palm facing forward. Hip facing forward. Inhale. Exhale, Trikonasana. Hold. Inhale up. Exhale, Parshva Konasana. Inhale up. Exhale, Parivrtta Parshva Konasana. So you're going to take your elbow to the outside of the knee. Bend your knees out. Easy variation. Arms here, chest up maximum. And center. Come back. Inhale. Exhale, Parshvottanasana. Completely turn towards your right. Exhale, down. Chest up. Breathe. Inhale up. Center. Exhale, arms back. Prasarita Padottanasana. Inhale up. Arms out. Take your left foot towards the left side. Hip front. Exhale, Trikonasana. Inhale up. Exhale, Parshva Konasana. Inhale up. Exhale, Parivrtta Parshva Konasana. Taking your elbow outside of the knee. Twist maximum. Up. And center. Up. Purvottanasana. completely shifting to the left, down. Inhale, center, Prasarita fourth variation. Exhale, hold the big toe. Inhale, look up. Exhale, completely down. Inhale up. Here to the side. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Down. Roll. Up. We're gonna go and play with little balancing. Now you can choose your level of practice. You can stay at beginners, or if you want, then we can go to advanced. Depending on your practice, do not fight with the body. We're gonna bring our right leg up. Now holding the big toe with 2 fingers and 1 thumb. Take one arm out for support. Try to keep your back not curved like this, straight. Now either you can stay here or extend as much possible as you can. Hold. Find your focus. And down. Take your arms back. Hold the ankle or the foot from the above. Shoulders open. Natarajasana variation. Release the arm, leg back. Hold, parallel your feet, hip down. Now the same leg should be down, other leg comes up. Come to one leg plank. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Exhale down. Roll up. Now we're going to try the other side. Feet together. Pelvis tucked in. Find your focus point. Inhale, bring your left leg up. 2 fingers, 1 thumb. Holding the big toe. Back straight. 1 arm out for balance. Inhale, if you feel comfortable, extend the leg, looking at your big toe. Release the arm, release, take the leg back. Hold. Now make sure you're opening your chest maximum, taking your leg back high up, keeping your back straight. Now arm down, extend the leg, hold, hip down. Take your leg back, other leg up into one leg plank. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. And Adho Mukha Virasana, rest. Inhale up. You're feeling a little warmed up, so we're going to go for directly to Dhanurasana. So lie down on your stomach Open your knees, take your arms back. Forehead down, feet pointed like that want to reach towards the ceiling. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Inhale up and stay there. Exhale down. Take your legs back. Up. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Relaxing child's pose. Breathe. Inhale up. We're going to go for Uttarashtasana, camel pose. Open your knees, feet pointed. We've really warmed up the back. Chest open. Take the arm out. Push your pelvis forward and down. Neck back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Child's pose. Inhale up. We do that again. Open your legs. Open your back. Go back. Look and hold. Inhale up. Release. Relax in child's pose again. Relax the back. Come back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Paschimottanasana. First we're going to sit in Dandasana. Get your legs in, chin down, Bandhas. Inhale up. Now take your arms up. Exhale, go forward. Paschimottanasana B. Taking your arms out and hold. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bend your one knee. Janushirshasana, arms up. Exhale forward. Stay there. Inhale up. Exhale down. Change other side. Arms up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Come to Setu Bandhasana. Arms down. Inhale up. Exhale 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 down. Last one. Inhale up. And stay there until out your fingers. And release. Bend your knees. Now we are going to try Chakrasana. If you're a beginner, then I would suggest that you can either skip this part. If you've tried this before, then you can go ahead with it. If you haven't, then go for another round of Setu Bandhasana. If you have done it, you can try legs out, arms back, inhale up, and stay there. Exhale down. And we're just going to go one round, so relax, go forward and back. And come fully forward. We're going to go for Ardha Matsyendrasana. Extend the legs, take one leg over the other leg down underneath your hip. Opposite arm up, bend. You can choose your variation from here to here, whatever suits comfortable. Up and twist. Inhale, release your arms, release your leg, change side, out, other arm up, twist, up and inhale, center, release and come back. Bend your knees. Now take one leg in Padmasana, other leg relax. Now opposite arm goes down. Take your arm back, exhale, twist. Inhale, center, release, change side. One leg in Padmasana, other leg just cross, opposite arm up and twist. Inhale, center. Sit cross leg. Take your arms back in Namaskara. Chest up, inhale, exhale down. Inhale up. Release your arms, release your legs, relax in Shavasana. Try and relax completely on the mat. And for a few minutes, try to just stay with your breath. Feel the rhythm of your breath going in and out from the body. Breathe and relax. 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 Bring your awareness back. Gently move your toes and your fingers, feet together. Right arm above your head. Left arm onto the belly. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, come to sitting. Bring your awareness back, rub your hands. Once you feel the warmth of the ice, gently massage your face. Release your arms in front of your chest with a gentle smile. Few blinks, open your eyes looking at the palms. Namaste. Thank you everyone for joining me in this session. Today's session was a little intense, so make sure you have a good rest during the night and you eat proper and clean food. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep your practice up and stay positive. Thank you.